you going, sorry for not doing this another time. Do a firework Freddy lore and then be Chica lore. I was going to get a duplicate wish, which is dumb because I could have just did them both and then wait to get the duplicates next time, so I wouldn't have to worry about this video being the day after. But here we are. So yeah, I'm upset about that, but here's the event. We'll do Faye first because why not? Confirm. Time to find Mr. Firework Freddy. As you can see, in 1 hour and 49 minutes, I'm gonna get Luigi Galore's second one. I don't know where he is. Hold up. I hate how it takes a while for them just to get here. Hold up. Maybe if I do this, go back here. Aha, there you are, sweet cheeks.
Bet you weren't expecting me to show up early, were you now?
Hey yo, it's the old one. Jeez, dude, he's fast.
That and say you didn't invite me. Too bad.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, where are my Lego zombie things? Sorry if I be quiet. I'm gonna try and focus, you guys. Because I've never fought them both before. The Chica or the Freddy before, so it's my first time ever. Please come out. I'm hoping they're one hit because of how hard they are just to hit. Bro.
All that fear there isn't helping either of us.
I'm gonna sit in my chair. Probably gonna be easy in my opinion. Are you moving, sweet cheeks? Let's go! Woo! First try, wow. Yeah! Woo! I won. Would I get the skin? No, I didn't get anything different for that. That sucks. If you play them for the first time, you'll like get the skin. Well, we just did Liberty Freddy. I mean, not Liberty Freddy. I'm dumb. Firework Freddy. And I'm gonna keep the lure, and I'm gonna do Liberty Chica, and I'll get the next lure to keep next time. So we're doing it right now. There we go. Do this. Yeah, I think that'll make her come faster. Hopefully. No, it doesn't actually do anything if I do this. They still will come at the random time. It's kind of dumb. I don't like that. I wish it would come like immediately popping up in front of you like once it would. I'm saving up for Toy Bonnie next, you guys, as like a skin to get. Because he's the second cheapest. I might instead get Springtrap. I'm not sure. Springtrap's just 200 more. That's all you get. Where is Liberty Chica? Hold up. There's Firework Freddy and Liberty Chica. I really want to get them so badly. I don't have a credit card, so I can't. Where are you? Where is Liberty Chica? Like literally, you guys. Where is she? Is that from Liberty Chica? No, it's not. Oh, there you are, bro. Sorry, the plush wasn't in the video for this year, you guys. It went out of stock, and I'm very upset about it. I will want it in my Liberty Chica special. So yeah, next year, hopefully, it was gonna be about Liberty Chica, but like, fast. You a fast one. I've gotten better at this game, if you can tell. Woo! Oh my god, you came out fast. Oh my god. Yo, you scared me. You came out quick. You came out in second. Bro. Something good. Duct tape gear regulator. Okay. Parts, of course. Remnant, of course. XP, of course. There's no point in the remnant. Literally, guys. It's just so dumb. Well, that's it. That's gonna be it for this video, you guys. Make sure you liked, subscribed, turn on post notifications. What's the next game? Oh, it's not a firework fight. Anyway, I love you guys. Until then, see you guys next one. Peace out, guys. Bye bye. Let's see what we get right here. Freddy Fazbear. Bye bye, guys.